Before we start the video, in case you have not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button below, and if you like the video, press the thumbs up as well. Anyway, as you all must have already heard, India is under total lockdown.
Yeah.
For the next 21 days. The essential commodities like hospitals, fire stations, police stations, pharmacy,
Supermarkets.
yeah, and grocery stores will be open. But actually, government has taken a very bold decision here by locking down the whole country. And I read earlier that the World Health Organization has also applauded this big step taken by the Prime Minister. And this is the only way that the transmission of this virus can be
Social
stopped.
distancing is the best one.
But, we were well prepared actually. We were expecting this to happen.
We prepare everything, buy everything.
So I had gone out earlier. People had already started buying. There were long queues which you'll see later on in the video. We'd like to show you what we bought. You! What's that on your face?
Say hi to the vlog.
Come here, come here.
Leon, say hi to the vlog. Hi everyone. Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, let's go ahead then. As you can see, there's a long queue in front of the pharmacies. People queuing up to buy medicine just before the lockdown. There was such a big rush in front of Big Bazaar that we had to queue up in order to go inside and buy groceries. This was just before the lockdown happened and people were preparing themselves in advance. Second queue inside of Big Bazaar. Once you enter Big Bazaar, as you can see, the clothes section is completely locked down already. This is our provision stock for the next 3 weeks. I think it should be enough.
Should be enough, yes.
Yeah.
Leon got
Starting off with Leon's things.
Cerelac.
His cereal is here. We have 6 packets.
6 packets Cerelac.
And 6 packets of his milk,
Yes.
which he is drinking. Yeah, and we have his lot of spare diapers which we ordered way before. So we have this atta here. I got 3 small packets. The big packets which are already finished in the supermarket. So I got 3 packets of wheat flour.
Some moong.
Yeah, moong. I bought a kilo. Then these are some crackers, chips, cheese rings and all that.
Yeah, biscuits.
Some wafers, biscuits. Yeah.
3 packets of Good Day.
Plus some wafers and like Doritos. This is just normal.
Crackers.
Yeah.
Doritos.
Oh, here also some cheese balls are there.
Yeah, in case you watch movies.
Choco fills.
And 2 pack of coffee.
Yeah.
And
We did not buy much big
packet of
saver pack.
yeah. I saving.
We didn't buy much canned food actually. We just have 1 can of mackerel and 1 can of tuna.
And this one also kidney beans.
White kidney beans and kabuli.
Kabuli. Garbanzos beans. Garbanzos.
And obviously salt, a packet of salt. What are you doing?
I think this one also Bonvita
Yeah.
energy drinks.
Just 2 packets of Bonvita actually.
Yeah. And cream.
The salt I'll put here then.
Yeah. Creamer is we
A
got
lot.
a lot.
Because I didn't know
Four packets.
when I went to buy, I didn't know how much we had at home, so I just bought. Oh, by the way, with the canned food, this is also the can of baked beans.
Yeah.
Can be pretty useful. And obviously oats for Leon.
Nee, another biscuit.
Yeah, more biscuit.
More biscuit.
And water. So this is like all crumbs on Leon's toilet, I think. And obviously noodles, Viva and Maggie and all that. Another backup baby. You want to play?
No, it will become crunchy.
Okay, you play with this one. Play with. Okay, Leon's wet wipes. Very important actually. his head to toe shampoo, body wash,
Tissue paper.
paper napkins,
Packet.
obviously hand wash.
Our shampoo, Pantene, baga naman, Dove is my conditioner, and surf.
Hand wash. This is a backup.
Emergency,
This is an emergency packet. We have a big 3 kg packet inside.
Yeah. And toothbrush for Leon, another conditioner, battery, and
Pen sanitizer.
Pen sanitizer, and this one is, what is it?
Oh, this is bathroom freshener.
This one and Lux soap.
3 packets of soap.
Yeah.
This is some of it. Then we'll go to the kitchen and check out the fridge as well, which are there in the fridge and in the kitchen, which we bought earlier. So as usual, a lot of onions, potatoes. Although we don't eat much potato, but you know what? This is one veggie which does not get spoiled easily.
And
Lot of ginger.
yeah.
Guys,
Because we are drinking ginger tea.
yeah, ginger lemon tea is very good for your immunity, plus its vitamins. Garlic, again, garlic does not get spoiled, so we bought well in advance. So bought some rice, and then we have a lot of frozen products actually there inside, which are like sausages, green peas. What else is there? Parathas. Here is the parathas and tortillas.
Wrap. This is
Yeah.
bacon.
Bacon is there. Plus we bought some eggs. And now since probably the bread won't be there anymore, so that's the reason we bought atta, then we can have roti. And we got some fruits here, apple, pear, some oranges, Yakult also. Veggies, mainly carrot. Actually carrot is again one vegetable which does not get spoiled easily. And some broccoli here, pumpkin, papaya, tomato, ketchup, a lot of ketchup. Ketchup can also be eaten with rice in case everything finishes. Backup plan. Eggs, not much. Some cheese. Baby, please don't play with the ketchup, please. And obviously chicken. The chicken has all been washed, and we'll separate it in Ziploc bags so that it does not occupy much space in the freezer. As it is, you already saw the freezer is completely jam packed. We have to make some space for it.
So that is our vlog.
So that's it, guys. We'll end the vlog here. At times like this, all we can do is pray to God and hope
forget to
that
pray.
the storm passes away. Please don't panic, and please stay at home. Avoid going out as much as possible unless it's an emergency.
And take care always, guys.
And we just like to tell all our family members who are watching
especially
this,
my family in Philippines, please do take care.
all the family members who are all over the world, please
Yes.
just take care of yourself. Stay at home and
Be careful.
be careful. Stay safe, everyone. Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.